Why does my water heater run out of hot water so fast? The most common reason is a buildup of sediment sitting at the bottom of the tank, which takes up space and makes the heating element work much harder than it should, so you end up with less hot water and higher energy bills. Think of your water heater tank like a cup that is supposed to hold a full cup of water, but over time, sand quietly settles at the bottom and fills up part of that cup. So now there is less room for the actual water. That sand is really mineral sediment from your water supply, and it collects at the bottom of the tank every single day without you noticing. This buildup insulates the heating element, which means the burner or coil has to work overtime just to warm up a smaller and smaller amount of water. Something most people never learn is that this sediment can also cause a rumbling or popping noise, almost like popcorn, which is actually water trapped underneath that hardened layer boiling and bubbling up. If you have a tank-style water heater, flushing it out once a year through the drain valve at the bottom can restore a huge amount of performance almost instantly. This is something most homeowners never do because nobody ever taught them it needed to happen in the first place. One mistake people make is assuming a bigger tank automatically fixes the problem, when really the issue is often just maintenance, so flushing the tank first can save you hundreds of dollars before you ever think about replacing it. Another misconception is keeping the thermostat turned up really high thinking it gives you more hot water, but setting it above 120 degrees mostly just wastes energy and increases your risk of scalding, so keeping it right around 120 degrees is the sweet spot. A lot of folks also forget to insulate their hot water pipes, especially in a garage or basement, which causes heat to escape before the water even reaches your shower, and wrapping those pipes with foam insulation is a cheap and easy fix. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Joe Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.